Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Google Forms. So basically first of all you have to open up your Google browser and then you will search for basically Google Forms here. So search for Google Forms and then open up this first link from here, and after you open up this first link you will click on this option where it says go to Forms. Okay, so make sure that you are basically signed in with your Gmail account. If not, it will basically redirect to the sign in page for your Gmail account. So you will first sign in with your Gmail account, and then you will see this page. Then you will basically click on this blank page. Okay, so Google Forms are basically the forms. Okay, be like let's suppose if you want to get information on about certain topics from different pupils, so you can basically make a form here, and then you can basically share it with some pupils, and then you will basically get their responses in this area here. Okay, so you can basically like make a form here, and there are basically lot of different type of options that you can choose, like short answer, paragraph, multiple choices, check boxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice, grid, tick box, grid, date and time. So that is Google Forms. Okay, so that's how you can use. After you have done this form, you can just tap on send option here, and then basically if you want to share it with someone, you can then basically add their email here. You can basically copy this link here, and you can basically embed this form into another website as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.